Okay guys, you see the DEF error 90 miles before need to service the system. So I'm going to show you how to fix this, and I'll give you the error code and something easy that you can do. Okay, this is the part. This is the DEF injector. You need to read the resistance across these two tabs. You should be getting between 12 and 13 ohms. If it's showing an open circuit, you know this is bad, and that's what's doing it on mine. So let's go ahead and change it real quick. Okay, so this is where it goes in on top of the filter. You take this plug off, you take the DEF hose off right here, and then this should come off. This is the bad one. We'll go ahead and put the new one on, and then we'll try to clear the check engine code. Okay, so now you can see my check engine light is off. I cleared the code with my scan tool, and if you go down here to messages, I don't know if you can see that, messages 0. So now we have fixed the issue, and you save $3,000 from the dealership. If you have any questions, leave a comment below. I will put the link in the description where I got the injector from, and everything should be good to go. Thanks, and have a great day.